Alright, this is going to be today's futures day trading video review for Wednesday, May 3rd, 2017 for Drummond Energy Bands. We thought we'd take you back a little bit into the 60s when Drummond used to draw geometry lines on charts that he created with a ticker tape. And some of the geometry lines listed here on the left, such as, a 6-1, a 6-5, etc., have statistics placed beside them because those lines were researched over many, many different charts. And those lines are drawn in a very, very precise way. So the ability to, look forward and look back and to provide a statistic based on that particular geometry reference line are possible. And these statistics show when price is encountering these geometry points, these reference points, that there's a high percentage of when that line holds as either resistance or support. And this is from back in the 60s. So what we've done here in the Drummond Energy Bands is we've combined all of these. And as you can see, the statistics are very, very high. So the degree of the edge is providing a very good lean of either support or resistance. So today before 8 a.m. Eastern, we said 81.5, line of the sand. Best will be popping up to 85, 3/4, 87, or below we flushed to 73.75. You can see that here today we got down around the 75 and we got up to about the 83.75 that we were saying. Now what we want to show you on this chart is that there's some arrows here on the left. You'll notice that there's a couple of down arrows. One's a yellow down arrow, and this one here is a down red arrow. Now let's talk just first of all about this down yellow arrow. You see the market is under a very strong condition. We're closing, we're not returning to resistance, closing, we're not returning resistance, closing. This is the first time we're returning to resistance. So we're looking for this to push down. Well, you can see the numbers get weak, right? They change from 207% to 72. And we know this next bar is going to be 72% while this bar here is trading. So we're not looking at selling the market here with the trade chart to the right, the down yellow arrow. What we're looking at buying the market. And we've got arrows that support that concept as well. Now as we pop up into this level here, again, we're dealing with strong energy, right? We're closing, we're not returning to support, closing, not returning to support, closing, not returning to support, closing. It's the first time we're returning, we push up. Do we want to buy this here when our percentages are getting less? No, we want to sell this red arrow shown here on the trade chart. And there's so much more that we could teach you, but the geometry with these numbers at the top and the arrows are going to make everything very specific for you, the trader, to use in your trading. Thanks for your interest. Join us Tuesdays, 4:15 p.m. Eastern for our weekly webinar jam session.